Hello students, we are going to continue solving systems of inequalities by graphing, okay? So we're going to go ahead and graph both lines. Just know that you can have one shaded area be a solution. You could have no solutions. In other words, if the two were parallel lines and they didn't ever touch or they didn't ever overlap, there's no solution. And then if they're parallel lines and one's inside and one's outside and they connect up, then you know there's infinitely many solutions where the whole graph is practically overlapping. So we'll see. Let's go ahead and start on the first one. Graph each system. Y is greater than 3/4 x minus 2. So I'm going to start at -2. I'm going to rise 3 and go over 4. Rise 3, go over 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can go down 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a dotted line with my ruler. Putting arrows at each end. And there you have it, okay? Now we're going to go y is less than, so if it's greater than, that's going to be everything shaded. Let's get my yellow one out, up above here. So there's our boundary, and then it's everything above, okay? The next one says y is less than 3/4 x plus 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put there, rise 3, go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to make my other line, and it's a dotted line because it is less than. Now this is less than, and so it's everything down here. So the two solutions would be together in this area, and they would go on forever and ever in both directions. So as far as solutions, I could say 0, 0. Oh, I guess it doesn't ask for solutions. But since it's like this one, where the darker part's in the middle and they go on forever, I'm going to say infinite solutions. Okay, next we're going to go graph this next one. And it doesn't look very similar to this, except for instead of greater than over here, it's going to be less than. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that one in. And it's a dotted line. Arrows at the end. And it is less than this time. See how the yellow went up? This time the yellow's going down. Okay, the other graph, and again it's the same, but it's greater than, so it's going to be 3, 0, 3, because it goes right there, 3, and then we go rise 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I'm going to draw this with the ruler. It's just kind of hard to do it that way. And since it's greater than, okay, now where do the blue and the yellow overlap? Okay, they never overlap, and I forgot my arrow over here. So here, the solution would be empty set, okay? Compare the two graphs above. How are they the same? I would say they have the same slopes. How are they different? One is infinitely many solutions. And the other has no solution. Because as you can see, they never cross. Okay? All right, let's see what the back of this one looks like. Okay, so it looks like you've got 4 problems here. That's not too bad. You can do it. You rock, students.